back to my channel and welcome to another Vlogmas. So today it is the 13th of December. That means Christmas is coming closer and closer, and I have finally got all of the presents that I want to give away on Christmas Eve. And I don't know if you remember on the 1st of Vlogmas, on the 1st of December, but I showed you some stuff that I've got just to create my own name tags, Christmas cards and stuff like that. And I've showed you this wood burning pen, and that I want to use to write on these wooden labels. And this is what I'm going to be doing today. And this is the first time actually that I'm using something like this, and I am kind of scared because it says here on the back that it can get like super hot and you have to be like crazy careful. And this is not really in my nature to be careful. So by the end of this video, if I have my hands in this form and not burned or destroyed, like literally, it will be like a freakless miracle. But anyways, this is what I want to do today. Hopefully it's going to be fun. I really hope that. And actually I was wondering if I can use also these stencils. There are some small stars and stuff like that, and I was thinking maybe I can write like to and from, and maybe just do like some small stars or something more of Christmas related. Yeah, so I say we start creating these name tags. Of course, when we are done with all that stuff, I will be showing you what I have today on my advent calendar. And
downstairs to see what might be under the Christmas tree. Oh, can I please, please have that back? That Christmas joy I once had as a boy. That Christmas peace when heart and soul were both at ease. That Christmas love I need more of. I remember making all the gifts, cutting out birds of paper and pretending they would live, wrap 'em up with ties and bows. Whatever's in them, no one knows. Oh, can I please, please have that back? That Christmas joy I once had as
how easy and fast that was. It was really cool. Definitely had fun creating these name tags, and you can write like anything you want on them, and it is like a very cool idea if you want to give a present or make someone happy with them. So the wooden pen to use was actually very easy. It wasn't so scary at all. What do you guys think? Did you like this idea? Would you want to create something like this? Have you ever done it? What was your experience with it? Let me know in the comments below. And now let's just move to Advent calendar. So we have door number 14. It is a nail polish, and that is good. So this one seems to be like a pearl color. This is actually very nice, especially when you're in a hurry but you want your nails to look beautiful. And this one is called Get It Bright, and that I will be trying at the end of this video as always. And now we have Maybelline Advent Calendar, and we go for box number 14, which is here. Let's see what we get this time. So I think it's something big. Oh, that is beautiful. Just look at that. It is color correcting concealer. That is very good. It is a medium shade, number 2. That is going to my giveaway. So now the last advent calendar, and we have number 14. It is a wet food, finally. And this one contains some chicken. The last one I got as a wet food from this advent calendar, it was with tuna. And these little 2 crazy babies got like insane. They liked it so very much. It was like crazy. Okay guys, so this is for today's video. I do hope you liked my creation. Tomorrow I will be wrapping the presents, so don't miss that. Subscribe to my channel so that you can take part on my giveaway as soon as I hit 1000 subscribers. Also give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. And now I will be trying the nail polish, and I see you tomorrow. Bye!